Welcome back, mathematicians. What we're going to talk about today is completing the square. And really what this is going from standard form to vertex form. So if you remember in the beginning of the unit, we said, we talked about going from vertex form to standard form. This is the other way around, okay? A little bit more complicated, but it's extremely useful in a number of applications. So let's start with this example here. I have an x squared plus 8x plus 18. What I want to do is break it up into parts, and what will happen is it'll turn into vertex form. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so I am going to first look at my parts. I have 1 for A, I have a positive 8 for B, and I have a positive 18 for C. Okay, so what I'll do first is I will break off. So I will break off the 18. So I'll do x squared plus 8 x plus a blank plus 18. Okay, and then I'm going to try to break this up into steps here so we can see it later on. You'll start to kind of merge some of these steps together. But what I want to do is I want to take that middle b, right? That b term. I'm going to show some scratch work over here. And I'm going to divide by 2. And if you don't know why, check out that plus video about binomial expansion, because we're just doing the reverse of that, right? Instead of timesing by 2, I'm dividing by 2 and I'm squaring it. Okay, so that's going to give me a 4 squared, which is going to be equal to 16. Please, if your paper allows, go out this way, but I'm a little restricted. So um, since I have that, what I'll do is I'll have an x squared plus 8x plus 16. Okay, so I'm putting this 16. This 16 goes in right there. Okay, and what I have now is a binomial. So again, it looks like something that's not a binomial, but if we look back, this is the same form, right? I have a square here. I have 2 times that same number over there. What number am I talking about? Well, it's going to actually be this number right here. So I'm going to say x squared. And not only, since I added a 16, I actually have to subtract a 16 on the outside. So make sure my equation stays balanced. So I have a plus 18 minus 16, okay? So let me put an arrow there for this guy. This guy goes right here, all right? Then I simplify some more. X plus 4 squared plus 2. Okay, and I could double check, right? If I expand this out and add 2 to it, I'm definitely going to get an x squared plus 8x plus 18. So I can go from vertex form, oops, see, to standard form, and from standard form to vertex form, which is extremely useful for us. Okay, so in here I could see that I have to translate this graph 4 units to the left, right? If we remember that, oops. Let's see here. I have to translate this graph 4 units to the left and 2 units up. So without even graphing it using Desmos or anything like that, I know from right here what my graph should look like. It's a parabola. It's 4 units to the left. The vertex is 4 units to the left and 2 units up. Here I can't tell that, but here in this one I can. Okay. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you at the Ring of Fire soon. Thanks.